हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है मैथ्स सो इजी। और यहाँ आपको मिलेगा सभी टॉपिक्स का क्लियर कॉन्सेप्ट, इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, और साथ ही आपको मिलेगा हर क्वेश्चन का इजी सॉल्यूशन एंड एक्सप्लेनेशन। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक।
आइए सॉल्व करते हैं एक्सरसाइज 2.2 का पहला क्वेश्चन। Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Our first question is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. The first step is to rearrange the given polynomial in decreasing order of all variable exponents. Then our second step is compare polynomial with the general quadratic polynomial, that is ax square plus bx plus c, and find coefficient a, b and c. The third step will be find the product AC. Fourth step will be write various possible factors of AC. Fifth step will be choose the factor whose addition or subtraction can give value b. Then our sixth step is now split coefficient of x in polynomial according to factors selected, or we can say splitting of middle terms of the standard quadratic polynomial. Now seventh step will be factorize the polynomial. You have to write the factors of the polynomial. This eighth step is take polynomial equal to 0, and then ninth step is find both the zeros of polynomial by taking each factor equal to 0, and 10th step is verify relationship between the zeros and coefficient. So let us start. Now take the polynomial ps equal to ps equal to 4s square minus 4s plus 1. We can see that this polynomial is in the standard form of quadratic polynomial, which is as square minus bs plus bs plus c. So on comparing with as square plus bs plus c, it is the standard polynomial. We will get a equal to 4, b equal to minus 4 and c equal to 1. Now our next step will be to find AC. You have to do this thing in the rough, and you will find AC, which is equal to 4 into 1, and you will get it 4. So now you have to find the product of various possible product of 4. That is, you have to find the factors of 4 into 1 or 2 into 2. These are the possible factors of 4. Now our next step will be, we have to choose the factors such that their addition or subtraction can give the value of b. Addition of these two factors will be 5 and subtraction will be 3. So you are not getting the 4. But here you are getting 2 plus 2 equal to 4. So this is our required factor. Just now you can rewrite this polynomial ps by using this factor as 4s square minus u. Now you have to split this middle term, that is b, value of b, you have to split it, and you will get it as 2 plus 2, because adding these two factors you can obtain the 4 and plus 1. Rewriting this polynomial, you will get 4s square. Just multiply this as with the bracket values, and you will obtain 2s plus 2s and plus 1. After opening the bracket, you will get 4s square minus 2s plus 1. Now you have to make the pairs of first two terms and second two terms. On making pairs, you have to take the common value that is 2s in the first pair, and you will be left with 2s in the bracket minus 1. Similarly, just write this bracket value here and check which number should be multiplied with the first term to so you can get the first term in the pair. So you will have to multiply with minus 1. When you multiply minus 1 with the second term in the bracket, you will see that you will automatically obtain this number. So taking common from these two terms, you will be left with 2s in the first term and minus 1 in the second. You can see you have factorized this polynomial. Now to obtain the zeros, what you have to do? You have to take this polynomial equal to 0. When you will take the polynomial equal to 0, this will become equal to 0. So taking both factor equal to 0 individually, you can obtain the zeros value of 0 as 1 upon 2. Here also you will get 1 upon 2. So you have obtained both the zeros of the given polynomial. Now our next step is to verify that the sum of zeros and the product of zeros with the coefficient, we have to verify the relationships. So sum of zeros equal to half plus half, that is equal to 1. Also minus b upon a equal to, as you know, our value of b is minus 4, so putting value of b here and a as 4, you will get 1. This is equation 1, this is 2. So from equation 1 and 2, you can say that sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a. This was to be verified, so we have verified this. Now again, product of zeros. Half into half, and you will get it as 1 upon 4. Now also c upon a equal to, as you know, c was, you can see that c was 1 and a was 4, so we will write 1 upon 4. This is equation 3, this is equation 4. From equation 3 and 4, you can say that product of zeros equal to c upon a, and this is also verified.
Now come to the second question, in which we are given 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. If we look to this question, we can see that this question is not arranged in the decreasing order of the exponent of variable. So first rearrange this question like this. It can be written as or 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So it is rearranged in the decreasing order of the exponent of variable x. Now taking px equal to 6x square minus 7x minus 3. What you have to do now, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. So a equal to 6, b equal to minus 7, and c equal to minus 3. Again you have to solve AC, and AC you will get a into c is minus 18. You have to just consider the numeric value, not the sign, and you have to find various possible factors of this AC. इससे AC को फाइंड आउट करने के बाद आपको केवल जो न्यूमरिक वैल्यू है 18 उसका वेरियस पॉसिबल फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम लिख सकते हैं 18 इंटू 1, सेकेंड कैन बी 9 इंटू 2, थर्ड कैन बी 6 इंटू 3, और इसके बाद वापस 3 इंटू 6, 2 इंटू 9 लिखते हैं, लेकिन वो सभी फैक्टर्स आपको इसमें पहले से ऑब्टेन हो गया. इसके अलावा कोई भी फैक्टर्स आप नहीं लिख सकते हैं. अब अगला स्टेप ये होता है कि हमें इन फैक्टर्स में से ऐसे फैक्टर को चूज करना है जिनको ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर हम b की वैल्यू को ऑब्टेन कर सकें. पहला फैक्टर को आप चेक कीजिए. 18 और 1 को अगर आप ऐड या सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आपको b की वैल्यू 7 ऑब्टेन नहीं होगी. जैसे 18 प्लस 1 इज 19 एंड 18 माइनस 1 इज 17. दोनों ही केस में आपको b की वैल्यू ऑब्टेन नहीं हो रही है. सेकेंड फैक्टर इज 9 एंड 2. अगर हम इसे ऐड करते हैं तो 9 प्लस 2 11 मिलता है, लेकिन अगर हम इसे सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं 9 माइनस 2 तो आपको 7 ऑब्टेन होता है. इसका मतलब इस फैक्टर को सिलेक्ट किया जा सकता है और हम इस फैक्टर को यूज करके इस पॉलिनोमियल को स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं. सो हाउ वी विल डू द स्प्लिटिंग वर्क. px इक्वल टू 6x² माइनस 7 को हमें स्प्लिट करना है. हम इस 7 को लिख सकते हैं 9 माइनस 2 इंटू x माइनस 3. तो सेम पॉलिनोमियल को हमने दोबारा लिखा है विद द स्प्लिटिंग ऑफ मिडिल टर्म, दैट इज 7x को हमने स्प्लिट कर दिया है. इसे फर्दर सॉल्व करने पर हमें मिलेगा 6x². x को हम ब्रैकेट की वैल्यू से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मिलेगा 9x माइनस 2x माइनस 3. सो अगेन फर्दर सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट 6x² माइनस 9x प्लस 2x माइनस 3. अब हम पेयर्स लेंगे. पेयर्स में से कॉमन वैल्यू निकालनी है आपको. यहाँ हमें कॉमन वैल्यू मिलता है 3x, सो यू विल लेफ्ट विथ 2x माइनस 3. जो फैक्टर आपको फर्स्ट पेयर्स में से मिला है वही आपको नेक्स्ट में भी लिखना है, और आपको ये नंबर्स ऐसा सिलेक्ट करना है जिससे आपको पहला टर्म मिल जाए. मतलब अगर प्लस 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए 2x को तो हमें प्लस 2x ही ऑब्टेन होगा, और अगला फोर्थ टर्म आपको देखेंगे वो आपको इससे डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करने पे फोर्थ टर्म ऑब्टेन हो जाता है. सो now taking common you will be left here with 3x and here with plus 1. So these are the factors of px. Now you have to find the 0. So to find the 0 you have to take px equal to 0, and this will give you 2x minus 3 into 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So after solving each individual factor taking as 0, you will get x in the first factor as 3 upon 2, and in the next one you will get minus 1 upon 3. So these are the zeros of the above polynomial. Now our next step is the finding or verifying the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of polynomial. So now sum of zeros equal to 3 upon 2 and plus minus 1 upon 3. So what you will get is 6 as the LCM, and above you will get 9 because you will multiply this with 3 and this with minus 2. So we will get minus 2. This is equal to 7 upon 6. Now if you look at minus b upon a, what you will get? Minus b is, you can see that b value is minus 7. So just put minus 7 inside at uh, at the place of b, and a is 6. So you will get minus into minus, that is plus 7 upon 6. This is first one, and this is second equation. From equation 1 and 2, you can say that sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a, so it is verified. Similarly, you have to verify the product of zeros. So what are the product of zeros? Zeros equal to, what were the zeros? You can see the zeros were 3 by 2 and minus 1 by 3. 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. So what you will get, 3 into minus 1 is actually minus 3, and upon 6, or you can further write it as minus 1 upon 2. Also c upon a equal to, what was the c? You can see the c was minus 3 and a was 6. So you can write minus 3 upon 6, and you will get as minus 1 upon 2. This is third equation, this is fourth equation. From equation 3 and 4, product of 0 equal to c upon a, which was to be verified. So you have verified the second option also.
So let us start solving the question. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationships between the zeros and the coefficients. The first question is 4u square plus 8u. So we can take the polynomial pu equal to 4u square plus 8u. We are taking pu because this is the polynomial in variable u. So you will have to take u as a function. Now the standard form of this polynomial will be 4u square plus 8u plus 0, as the standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. C here is not available, as a constant is not available, so you can take it as 0. Now you will compare with ax square plus bx plus c, and you will get a equal to 4, b equal to 8, and c equal to 0. So next step is to find AC. AC here is 4 into 0, that is equal to 0. So AC is coming as 0, so you will need not find any factor, because 0 will not have any factors. So in such case there are only two terms, so the terms are even, you can directly take common. So start factorizing the pu. Pu will become 4u square plus 8u, which is equal to 4u as common, and you will get u plus 2 in the bracket. So to find the zeros, you have to take pu equal to 0. So taking pu equal to 0, you will get 4u into u plus 2 equal to 0. This means both the factor will be 0 and u equal to 0, and second zeros is u equal to minus 2. So you have got the two zeros as u equal to 0 and u equal to -2. Our next step will be to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients. So sum of zeros equal to 0 plus -2, that is equal to -2. So it is our first equation. And also minus b upon a equal to minus b here is 8, so upon 4, which is equal to -2. This is our equation 2. From equation 1 and 2 we can say that sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a, so it is verified. Now product of 0. Uh, 0 into -2, which is equal to 0. This will be the equation 3. Also c upon a equal to, as c is 0, 0 upon 4, which is equal to 0. This is equation 4. So you can write from equation 3 and 4, product of zeros equal to c upon a. This is also verified. So we have verified both the relationships, that is sum of the 0 equal to minus b upon a and product of 0 equal to c upon a, which was to be verified. Our next question was t square minus 15. We can take it as pt equal to t square minus 15. Now if you write in the standard form, you will get pt equal to t square minus 0t minus 15, as term with the t is not available, so you will write 0 into t. Now if you compare with the standard equation, that is at square minus bt plus c, plus bt plus c, you can see that here b equal to 0. So just check, this is a special case. Whenever b equal to 0, you need not find any AC and you did not need any factorization. What you have to do, you have to just take pt equal to 0 directly and start solving it. So how you will solve it? Here you will get t square minus 15 equal to 0. Just send the constant term on the other side, that is on the right hand side, and variable on the left hand side. Now t will become, as the square will go on the other side, it will become converted into the root, and as the root is always plus and minus, if there is t square, so you have to take the root as plus and minus root 15. So you got the two value of t, that is plus 15 root 15, and other is t equal to minus root 15. So you have got all both the zeros of this polynomial pt. Now you have next step is to verify the sum of the product and sum of the zeros and product of zeros. Sum of 0 equal to root 15 plus minus root 15, that will become root 15 minus root 15, that is equal to 0. Also minus b upon a will be, as b is 0, so 0 upon a, or 0 upon, you can write, and whatever it is given, a is here, actually a is 1, so 0 upon 1 or minus 0 upon 1 equal to 0 only. So this is 1 and this is 2. From equation 1 and 2, you can say that sum of zeros equal to minus b upon a. So first option is verified. Second is product of zeros. So let us multiply the zeros obtained. Root 15 into minus root 15, you will get root 15 into root 15 is actually root 15 ka square and minus sign, so you will get minus 15. Now c upon a equal to, as c here is actually minus 15, c is minus 15, so you will write minus 15 upon 1, which is equal to minus 15. This is third equation, this is fourth equation. So from equation 3 and 4, you can say that product of zeros equal to c upon a. So it is also verified.